Hey traders, I just wanted to take a second to show you how to download the Metatrader 4 platform if you need the Metatrader 4 platform to get started trading. So it doesn't matter which broker you use. If you're not sure which one you want to use, here's an option for you. For demo purposes, it doesn't matter where you get your Metatrader 4 platform from. So in the member page, you see there's two options here. There's Eagle FX and Crypto Rocket. I've done a video on Crypto Rocket already. It also seems like now they no longer accept United States residents. So if you're a non-US resident, maybe Crypto Rocket's the place to go. I think they're really good. I've had no problems with them at all. I do like their service. But for this video, we'll use Eagle FX. They are currently accepting United States residents. So I'll take you through the process with them. All right, so go ahead and click Open a Trading Account. It'll take you to this sign up page. But interestingly enough, if you just scroll down to the bottom and click, see this, and then MT4 for Windows, just click that, and here it is. I've already downloaded one without realizing it, so now I have two copies. You'll get the Eagle FX4 setup. We can just go ahead and open it right from here. So it brings up this install window, so I will click next, and then we wait. Okay, and then just click finish. It may bring up this website. You can ignore this and just close it. Now, it did bring up a window. It says open an account. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open a demo account. I'm just going to click next, and then a new demo account. I'll keep that checked. Then put in information here. I'm going to go with USD. All right, Eagle USD Pro. For the amount, you can put in, amount close to what you would probably open a live account with. Here it lets you do 3,000, but I think you can even probably just type in an amount. You can probably just do $1,000. For this purposes, I'll just make it a $10,000 account. The leverage, they do offer up to 1 to 500 leverage at Eagle FX. I do like that. I don't think it's necessary. You don't need to have 500. And if you know you're going to be trading with less leverage, you can select the leverage you'd like to trade with here. I'll just keep it at the 500. Check the box and click next. And once you have your login details, you can just click finish. You will get your Metatrader 4 platform opened up. I can tell you now, we're not going to need any of these charts. Alright, so I'll remove all these charts. And there you have it. That we have the platform with the demo account ready to trade.